Here are 9 more tips to lose weight faster. Start your day with a high-protein breakfast. Avoid sugary drinks and fruit juice. Eating a high-protein breakfast may help reduce cravings and calorie intake during the day. Sugar calories are useless to your body and might sabotage weight loss. Before each meal, drink a glass of water. Drinking water before meals reduced calorie consumption and may help with weight loss, according to one study. Eat foods that will help you lose weight. Some foods are more effective than others in terms of weight loss. Here's a list of weight loss-friendly foods that are also healthful. Consume soluble fiber. Soluble fibers have been shown in studies to aid weight loss. Glucomannan, a type of fiber supplement, can also aid. Have a cup of coffee or tea. Caffeine can help you lose weight by speeding up your metabolism. Make whole foods the foundation of your diet. They are more satisfying, healthier, and less likely to lead to overeating than processed foods. Take your time when eating. Eating hastily can result in weight gain over time, whereas eating slowly makes you feel more satisfied and increases the production of weight loss hormones. Get a decent night's sleep. Sleep is vital for a variety of reasons, and lack of sleep is one of the leading causes of weight gain. The proven and safe products that helped me lose weight can be found in the description B.